Welcome everybody. Today we will record that webinar for the purpose of clearly defining which steps should be taken in looking for a job, and when I do that work I'm keeping in mind our on-campus students and especially online students, because they are far away and they have relatively limited access to us, when they need us. So I want to create the guidelines which are clear. Now, before we start working with DICE, because I will show you how to create a profile on DICE, but before that, let me show you the checklist. So the first thing on that is you need a resume. Normally I do resumes myself out of your drafts, so you give me what you have and I will finalize. So you do not post on DICE anything until I approve or modify and whatever, until I'm telling you it's good enough to be posted. Okay, you do not want to deal with multiple postings of things which kind of conflict with each other. Then we have 4 webinars on video page, so portnow.com/video, and it's called, at the very top of the page you will see that job search section, and it says 4 webinars on job search. Guys, those 4 webinars give you the overall understanding of the job search process, the steps, the statistics, the dynamics. If you don't watch those webinars, you will run into misunderstanding of very important things. So it is worth your time. Now, there is a video there on how to post resume on DICE, and it will be replaced with the one we are doing right now. Next step, resume should be posted on DICE. And then we go with multiple steps. Step number 1 is creating a profile. So resume is a part of the profile. So let's go to DICE and create a profile. I will paste in that string, which is DICE login, or create a sign in. Okay, you see very very little tiny link here says register. Let's go there and let's create an account. So first name, let's say Mike. Okay, last name, let's say Clinton. Email, okay, let's say resume at portnow.com. Good. Email, password. Password, it shows password in bullets. Okay, guys, I will not tell you the password. Let's do it this way. Retype password. You don't need it. I'm not a robot. No, I'm not a robot. Okay, start searching, it says. Okay, start searching. It should create an account for me. Okay, here is an account. I need the resume to be uploaded. Interesting. Okay, let's try. Let's try something. I did use certain things in one of our classes, and I have resumes which are not exactly real life resumes, something like that. Yeah, let's say Andrei Tester. Okay, here is the resume. What's going to happen? DICE will process the resume and extract lots of technical skills out of it. See? Technical skills. So definitely you can do the whole thing manually, but when you upload your resume, lots of work could be done automatically. So, okay, employment details, search employment type, guys, everything. I want each and every type of employment. I want people to call me. That is what I'm saying. Like, all types of employment. Sometimes you might not even know what it means, which is fine. But you want all types of employment. Select work authorization. US citizen, Canadian citizen, green card holder. Let's say green card holder, whatever your authorization is there. Green card holder. Now, that UR, okay, thing is critically important, because here you might completely destroy your job search campaign. It says you are creating this profile for yourself, so which by default is what it should be. Some of you manage, I have no explanation, but some of you manage to click that third party, recruiting agency, consultancy, whatever. When recruiters search for people, the third party profiles are excluded. Okay, they will not find you. And you have no reason whatsoever to say you are a recruiting agency. You are doing that profile for yourself. That's it. And if we go and look at our checklist again, look what it says. It says, zip code defines the search area. We'll come to the zip code. But profile created for yourself. No third party, guys. The third party will kill the whole thing. Okay. Work experience. Where is the zip? Yes. The zip code here, guys. That zip code, it was picked out of resume. But otherwise, you would type it yourself. And based on that zip code, local recruiters will find you when they search for you. Somewhere you can say that you are interested to move in New York. But if your zip code is in San Diego, as we have here, San Diego recruiters will find you and nobody else will find you, basically. That is the idea. So if you want to look for a job in New York, you create that profile and you put a New York zip code. You might be in Silicon Valley at that time. But if you want to be found in New York, you put New York zip code. If you want to look for a job in 3 locations, Los Angeles, New York, and Miami, you will create 3 different profiles. Okay? Not 3 profiles under same account. 3 different accounts, 3 different profiles, 3 different emails. Okay? And then you specify the zip code, so you will be found in that zip code. Now our instruction says desired position contains major keywords. Okay, what is desired position? Okay, job title. Let me see. Okay, so far it didn't give me the field for desired position. Okay, it says your current position. Your current position is this. Going back to the checklist. Okay, let's skip for a second the desired position. It says the title of the last job must be same as in desired position. So we will create a string now. Let's create a string. Just a second. So let's create a string. No? What's wrong with that one? I don't know. So notepad. Okay. Let's create a string. This string should be having all the most. Oh, I've got a lot of those. All the most important keywords. It says major keywords. So let's say QA. Test, no commas, guys. No, I do not use any commas. No QA test, web, mobile. The order is important. The word which is first one has more value when it comes to the search. We do not use different words which are not descriptive. So let's say not using, okay, not using words such as, let's say, software, I'm sorry, software engineer, manual, what else, analyst. So we do not want that stuff. So we want descriptive keywords which are just about QA profession. So do not say software QA engineer, because out of 3 words, software QA engineer, 2 words give you nothing. So QA, test, web, mobile. What might be other important keywords? Selenium, if you have Selenium. Maybe Python, if you have Python in your resume. Well, maybe Oracle, if you have Oracle. If you have Oracle. SQL is a good word. So, whatever are the most critical words. Tester is a good one. SQA normally doesn't give you much, so I wouldn't use SQA. You can use the word testing. Testing is a common keyword. Let's say, for the purpose of that demonstration, that is how we limit ourselves in that. So, copy. And then we go here and we are saying job title. QA test, mobile, blah, blah, blah. That job title, and then, okay, there is a current checkbox. Current checkbox is must. You might be working, and then you say current and you check it. You might not be working. It does not matter. You still check the current checkbox. Otherwise, your resume will be missing very substantial part of your marketability. So that string will not be searchable anymore. It must be current. You might not be working, and the profile on Dice has nothing to do with your resume. So in your resume you might say exactly what it is, but the purpose of the profile, when we create the profile, we want to be found, okay? We want people to find us. We want more exposure, more marketability. That is why we say current, no matter what, and that is what our checklist says. It says, the most recent job, check the current checkbox. Okay? The title of the last job must be same as in desired position, but we will do desired later on. Then it says, use 20 fields for skills, no less, no more. Actually, when it does automated pickup of your skills, it does 20 anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. You can enter as many keywords as you wish, but only 20 will be considered by Dice. So the rest will pretty much not be working. So now let's take a look at the keywords. What are the rules toward keywords? It says use 20 fields. Okay. 6, 7 fields should have one skill only, the most crucial skills, like QA, test, web. Okay, 6, 7 skill. Okay, QA. Years. Okay, let's say 10. It doesn't matter. It's not like you are saying in your resume that you have 10 years of experience. 10, if someone is looking for 6 years or 5 years, okay, you still want to be found, because people who are using Dice, recruiters, they have multiple positions. They are not limited to one specific job. So do it. Okay, I will say 2015 everywhere, because if it is not 2015, in our case, because we are in 2015, it has less value. In a month, today is December 1st of 2015. In a month, you will put 16th. Because we will be in year 2016. You put the current year here. QA, okay. Then test, you remember, QA, test. Then we have web, and I'm saying 10. I'm saying 10. And I'm not having any specific relationship to what happened and for how much time, okay? I'm just trying to make sure I will be found by recruiters no matter what, okay? QA test web, mobile good, Selenium, okay, Selenium good. What else? Maybe SQL. Maybe, I don't know, networking. But in our case, wait a second, in our case we have QA test web, mobile, Selenium, Python, Oracle, God knows. Oh, okay, let's say tester. Tester is a good word. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tester. Let's say testing. So we are done with standalone fields, standalone keyword. Now each and every field will be using multiple keywords, and those multiple keywords should still represent those major skills. In our checklist it says major skills should have 5-7 occurrences if you want to be competitive. So we are saying 6-7 fields should have one skill only, and then all other fields should be beefed with keywords to the maximum capacity of the field. Good. So what do? We are saying regression analysis. No, not really. I'm saying QA tester, and it's not just 5, 6, 7 words. We have many more. Tester, analyst, engineer, agile. Engineer. Looks like I cannot type anymore, or what? No. I don't like that. Engineer. What is the meaning of that? I don't know. Engineer. Yeah, guys. Honestly, I'm surprised with what it is doing here. How can I work that way? Okay. Agile, waterfall. Oh, no. Okay. Waterfall. Go here. We are saying Selenium, WebDriver. Okay, Selenium, WebDriver, and then one word, WebDriver, and then QA, then database, networking, no? Networking. You know what, guys? Let's do it this way. Let's save your profile, okay? Let's save it, because I don't like the interface stuff. Now I will save it and I will go to edit profile, okay? So when we come to the edit profile, first of all I will take that string and I will put it here into the desired current or desired position. Oh, so we have it now here. Okay, and then we go to the rest of the keywords, and can I? Yeah, waterfall. Okay, WebDriver, network. Okay, let's say network, not network. Network. Test case, test plan, test matrix. I'm not saying test. So one is enough. Matrix, tester, software, quality, assurance, no, 3 letters. 3 letters would be SQA. Okay, doesn't take any more typing. Good. Bugzilla. Okay, Bugzilla, Jira, bug tracking, report. Yeah, bug report. Database. Okay, a few words. Okay, a few characters. Tester. That's it. Firebug is a tool. There is nothing wrong with Firebug. Firebug, test, tester, protocol, back end, one word, back end, 2 words, front. Okay, front. No, okay. 4 letters. 4 letters. HTML. Front end. Front end. Okay. Cloud, for example. What are good keywords? Mobile. iOS. That's it. Okay. Android. Mobile. Application. App. Another one. Selenium. QA. SQA. Test. 3 letters. 3 letters. SQL. Okay. GUI. GUI is fine. GUI. Testing. Web. Okay. Web. Mobile. Mobile. Android. SQA. Tester. Wow. Tester. Engineer. Good. That's it. No more letters. Client server is fine. So client server. Client server. Load. Performance. Test. Testing. Tester. Done. QA. Methodology. Test. Methods. Tester. Testing. Web. 3 more letters. FTP. FTP. SDLC. I don't think it makes any sense. FTP. HTTP. Okay. HTTP. FTP. We can bring more if we want to. It depends on what's in your resume actually. So definitely you have to look at your skills. So HTTP, test, QA, SQA, SQA. To take some creativity. SQL, automation, manual. If you speak languages, let's say Russian, say Russian. Russian. Say localization. No. 3 letters. 3 letters. Okay, one more web. Say localization. Localization. Oh, internationalization. Good. Internationalization. I will remove end. Internationalization, localization, testing. God knows, whatever languages. Let's say Spanish. if you speak whatever, I mean German, you know, I was learning German in the school. That doesn't mean I know it well. Okay, Spanish, but I'm good. I'm okay with Russian. Spanish. So I'm doing that on the fly. You might again look at your resume and find maybe more XML, more. Okay, more things. XML, Java, script. One word now. JavaScript. HTML, ASP, testing, no, test, okay, good. So we've got 20 fields. That is an overall picture of how we do that. Again, I am doing a demonstration, okay, I am doing a demonstration, and I'm saying it is not searchable, okay. It might be searchable, making profile. Yes, not searchable. I don't want it searchable. Not searchable, okay. Too many calls from recruiters. Okay, too many calls, okay. Enter text here. God, what? They are really annoying. Okay, I keep it unsearchable because I don't want anybody to find my exercise here, okay. But you will make it searchable here. Definitely, it has to be searchable. So done. And here is the profile we have. Okay. Now we look at our checklist again. All other fields should be beefed with keywords. Yes. Major skills should have 5-7 occurrences. Good. Then DICE profile approved by Mikhail. So when you do that, after you put your profile in place, you contact me, and I will go and use my recruiter's access to DICE to see how your resume, how your profile is posted. And there might be some issues, I will tell you. Okay. So then, after I approve your DICE profile, then you put it on Monster and Career Builder, and it could be more websites. And some people like Glassdoor, some people like Indeed, some people like smaller specialized websites. It's not important. They are all of same kind. If you create DICE profile and you know what you are doing, then you can do same thing. You just proliferate. Okay. You send 20 plus resumes every day. We are saying that 50 is okay. I mean, you can send even 50. But, okay, let's do at least 20. Start with 20. And then you update your profiles on everyday basis, which means you just come to your profile and you say edit. And you type maybe space right here, United States. Put a space there, say done. After you do that, you are telling to the DICE that your resume is of today's date. Then you come again. Oh, actually it removed my space. Okay, let's do one more space here maybe. Save, done. Okay, what if I go there again? Oh. Where is my country here? What? Okay, guys, United States, so the country is not the right place. Okay. Test. Okay, let's go here. Tester, what if I do a couple of spaces here? Done. What if I go again? No. Wow. What would be the right place to go then? We have to go and change something somewhere. Okay, then go there and remove part-time, maybe. Okay, remove part-time, say done. Go again next time and add part-time. Okay, let's do it this way, say done. After you say done, it is updated. Okay. So all profiles should be updated on daily basis, especially if you are in a high density area such as Silicon Valley or New York or Chicago, with lots of people around. You want to update daily. So if recruiters search for one day, because they might get a lot in one day, you want to be found. So every modification of your resume, it has to be approved by me. Okay, be careful. I would say out of 10 people trying to modify something, 9 will create substantial problems, which is much more difficult to resolve after, compared to avoiding those problems before you post your resume and it becomes available. So you want to modify the resume, make sure I approve it. And then you have to be ready to provide a list of 3 references, because they're going to ask you for 3. And we will work individually with each of you. When it comes to the resume, we will work with you, we will discuss the references and all that stuff. And so far I would consider that topic covered. So guys, happy job search, and enjoy creating your DICE profiles, not just DICE Monster and Career Builder as well. Thank you very much.